Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the INNOCN Premium 4K 27C1U monitor. So friend, INNOCN announces Premium 4K 27C1U monitor, and friend, it is a 27-inch 4K computer monitor, and friend, it is available in the market starting this month. And friend, this monitor delivers real 4K resolution featuring 3840 into 2160 pixels, 400 nit brightness, 1.07 plus billion colors, and standard red, green, blue or sRGB color space. And friend, this advantage of this liquid crystal display or LCD with a 16:9 aspect ratio satisfied consumer with stunning ultra high definition or UHD picture and video quality and vibrant hues, assuring excellent viewing experience. And friend, it brings smooth images and top quality color and contrast performance with high dynamic range or HDR40 technology. And friend, the professional color gamut and FreeSync features are available. And friend, professional color gamut and FreeSync features are available. And friend, this second screen with a 27-inch flat surface and 60Hz refresh rate with a 178-degree wide viewing angle and 1000 gem 1 contrast ratio. And friend, this second screen with a 77-inch flat surface and 60Hz refresh rate has a 178-degree wide viewing angle. And friend, this second screen with a 27-inch flat surface and 60Hz refresh rate has a 178-degree wide viewing angle and 1000 gem 1 contrast ratio, promising enjoyable and premium quality viewing encounters by display technology with a frameless design. And friend, this connectivity features of hassle-free vertical monitor consist of one DisplayPort or DP 1.4, one 3.5mm audio jack and one USB Type B. And friend, this monitor also includes the one USB Type C, two HDMI 2.0 and two USB 3.0 ports. And friend, this is ideal for office, home office and work from home arrangement and school related jobs. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.